Hi all, today's video is on how to create card and multi-row card visual. I've already created a video on how to create a basic card visual. You can find link in the description. But in this video, we will dig a bit deeper on the visual and the formatting aspects. So let's create a card visual. You can select the visual from the visualizations pane. Now, card visuals are mostly used to display an overall value such as total sales or total profits, number of orders, inventory count, etc. etc. We will be using the sales value in this video. So you can see it has summed up the entire sales values. You can also select the type of aggregation that you want, that is if you want it to be average, minimum, maximum count, etc. So our basic visual is ready. Let's format our visual to make it look more appealing. And the callout value, you can increase or decrease the font. I'll not change much. You can disable the category label here as we will be enabling the title. You go to General tab, enable the title, increase the font. You can change your text color. You can also give background color for your title. Yeah. Now we head over to Effects tab and give background color to the rest of the visual. Or maybe a visual border. Yeah, and that's it. Our total sales card visual is ready. Now we create multi-row card visual. Now multi-row card, as the name goes, it used to display multiple values for a particular dimension. So for example, if I have to select sales across my segment, I will drag segment to fields and then sales to below segments. So our basic multi-row card is ready. You can see our consumer, corporate, and home office segments have been displayed, and the sales value is being displayed. So let's head over to formatting and increase the font size. I hope it is visible now. And then you can disable the category label as well. In the chart you can increase chart title, and you also can change the color as well. In the style section, you can add borders to your entire visual. Suppose I just need a border at the bottom. I'll just so it has created a border at the bottom of every row that we have. And the accent bar, if you can see, there's something at the left hand side. You can enable or disable it as you like. So that is a multi-row card visual. Let's head over to the general tab. Title, you can give it same as before, like we did, sales by segment. Give a background color, and then we go to effects and give another color here. So that is our multi-row card visual. Also, another way to present is to display, if you want to display multiple values in a single row, you can also add all three. Let's suppose sales are sales, profit, and let's say quantity of goods sold. So you can get all of this in a single row. So rather than creating three separate card visuals, we can create one single multi-row card visual. Let's use format painter. So that's it, our multi-row card visual. Thank you for watching.